She doesn't want us to see her, but she's here. So you only get to see Whitney. Yeah, sorry. Which is great.
Okay, sounds good.
Look at it. It's cool to see it like that.
Can you guys see me? I can't even see my own picture. I don't know.
No, we can't see you. Can't see you. It says the same thing.
Okay, well, I don't want you to see me either then.
Okay, fine. Okay. Whatever. Well, so. Does anybody have questions on part 2?
Say that again.
On part 2, do you guys have questions that you want to talk about?
No, I liked this one. I liked it a lot. I thought I understood everything, so.
That's good. Okay. It's not like I read through this.
How about you guys?
Oh, is it talking about probability or what? Yeah, and like there's just a bunch of stuff with histograms basically, and finding like the quartiles and something else. The other one, but not as much math. I didn't think so.
Wait, I feel like this one had more.
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
What are you guys talking about?
Well, if we don't have questions on part 2, what do you?
I guess, does anyone have questions, or are we all good?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Ashley, do you have questions on part 2?
No, I don't think so. I think as long as I have that formula that was given in the homework, then I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Should we just try the quiz then?
Yep. Let's do it.
Let's go for it.
Okay. How do I start this? Like, how
Go
do
to
I...
group meeting.
Well, yeah, it's on there.
Yeah, it's over. Oh, it's so cute. Turn it this way. Hold on a sec. Kennedy's having some issues.
This is hard. Oh,
Are we-
Got it?
Okay, we are live. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
we're
are.
recording.
Okay, so number 3, I know that answer. It's 1.
Yo.
Yep, it's 1. Do they want 1 or 1.0?
That's what I want. Maybe we should do 1.0 case. Yeah, I don't think it'll get us wrong. Will it give us wrong if we put decimals? I don't know. One time I put commas and it said it was wrong, but I emailed him. Oh. Okay, so we're good. Just
Okay.
What?
It's just 1.
Yeah, 1. Mhm.
Okay.
So just 1. Don't have to put 1.0.
I don't know.
Oh. I don't know.
I'm gonna just put 1, just because I have
Me
math.
too.
I don't know.
What did you? Nothing.
Yeah.
I just
A density curve can drop below the x-axis.
False. Okay, so number 4. Yeah.
So it's false.
Wait, hold on.
Below the x-axis.
Okay.
And then
5.
So
normal
wait,
curve is
0 or just 1?
What?
Sorry, did everyone get number 4?
Isn't that? Oh. Yeah. Do we put 1.0 or did we just put 1?
I'm putting just 1.
For 3.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
We'll email them if not, I guess.
Okay. And then 4 was false, right?
Uh-huh. 5, I believe,
4.
is true.
Yeah, and 5 is true.
Okay.
Right?
6. Which of the following elements is this figure?
Yeah.
So it's...
Look at the scribble. I know.
So it's C, right?
What'd you say? C?
C? C is the z-score?
Yeah, I was going to say C.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I did know that.
This is such a pain.
Okay.
Oh, crap.
A bit random.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable z will be greater than 1?
That's B. Right?
B.
Why?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I know we have to be fast, but why?
Oh, you're okay.
No, yeah.
So Well, because
that's
if anything, if it's greater than something, it's going to be to the right of it.
Mm-hmm.
Because the scale is going from negative. On the left, it's negative, and then in the middle, it's 0, and then to the right, it's positive. So
Which
if
of the
it's
following
above
elements
1,
represents the
then it has to be to the right of 1. So the number would have to get bigger.
Yeah. Because it's confusing, but C is really pointing to 1.
Yeah.
So it's B.
Okay.
Does that make sense,
Thank
Ashley?
you. Yeah, it did.
Okay, perfect.
I think it was just worded. I don't know. I don't like worded problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, me either. It's okay.
I'm visual, not word.
So one standard
Okay,
deviation
according to the
68%,
68.
right?
Why? Don't look at him.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Just kidding.
So on 8,
One
it's
standard
68.
deviation of
Oh, sorry.
68.
Perfect.
Do we have to put percent? No. Just
No,
68.
because it's at the end.
Well, it already has a percent.
Suppose random.
This thing's confusing.
No, sorry.
Okay.
I could have done it. What are you doing? Okay. So are we on 9 now, right?
Yep.
Yes. Z has a standard normal distribution. To answer this question, what proportion of values from this random variable? We're looking at
The
this.
values. Give your answer as a decimal. Accurate to 3 decimal places. The answer was.
So it's between. Okay, so we have to actually go to the thing.
What's
It was 1, right?
What?
It was 1.0. Is that right?
Wait, sorry. What was your question?
The standard deviation, or sorry, the z value is supposed to be 1 between 1 and 1, or negative 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so when I plug it in, the area of that curve is 0.6827, which makes sense, because that's one standard deviation, which proves that it's 68%.
Okay, yeah.
That makes sense?
68.3.
Oh, because it's number 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty much it's showing the same thing as because the z value is a standard.
Okay.
Hey, Andrew,
Yeah?
will you turn up your volume?
Turn up?
Wait, you can't turn up your volume. I can't hear you as much as I can hear Whitney.
Okay, I can come closer. Does that sound better?
Yeah.
It's good for
Yeah?
me. Yeah, I don't know.
Thank you. Sorry.
Sorry about that.
You're
Okay,
good.
Oh, you're okay?
So the answer for 9, it says go to the third decimal place, so it should be 0.683. Does everybody agree?
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Close random. So essentially it should, let's see. Okay, so it's 95, well, 0.95, and if we round up to the third, it's 0.955.
I don't know. I don't even have a calculator.
You guys know how I got those?
Just say 5 or 955.
How did I get it?
How did you get number 10? On number 10.
On number
yes.
10, how did you get it?
So if you go back to, in the book, how it has the applet thing that you can adjust?
Yeah.
In there, if you go to the z-score to the bottom, you just switch it to 2. And then you look at the area, and then we're only going to 3 decimal places, so the 4 at the end rounds up to 5.
Which one?
So it's 4, 5. Does that make sense?
You can move. Yes, it does.
Which, again, proves the exact same theorem, because the theorem says the second standard deviation should be 95%.
Okay.
And then the same thing this one should be close to 97, or 99, sorry. Should be close to 99.7%. But we can check this in case. We'll put 3 in. And then it's 0.9973, so yeah, 0.997.
Okay.
And make
so
sure
it was
to have
0.9. Yeah. Okay.
And that's just, you're just finding that in the homework?
We have an
in the book
where you can adjust the numbers for the standard deviation, and it changes how much is shaded. And then it tells you the area under the curve. Does that even make sense? Do you see that, Ashley?
Yeah, just in the online textbook.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about a third down. I don't know. It's right before 2.2.
This is not comfortable. No, it's because you have to hunch so bad. This text
2.2. Oh, okay. Oh, I see that.
Does that make so? Now you just switch the numbers on the bottom, on the x-axis, and then you can switch it to 3, and it'll switch both of them. Or you can do it 2 or 1, and the area up top, that's what the probability is.
We don't know during it. Here at least. They're all
okay, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do number 12.
Yeah, so 11.
Okay, wait. Oh. 0.997.
And number 12, it agrees, it matches up with
I guess putting 0 before your point.
I put the 0 before on all of them. Did you ask?
Me too.
Or Whitney or whoever?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Yes, we did.
Okay, we all did. Okay, so 12 is the third one, right? The values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule.
Oh, ours are in different order, but yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Here's things since 12:45.
Oh yeah, I think this one's the right one. Yeah, that one's wrong.
I would still be this.
Okay. So that's the mean calculator. Where's my calculator? There we go.
Rhett, will you come here? Cause I need help really quick.
Okay, so
I can't
have an
hear.
answer. I don't know if anyone. Does anyone else have an answer yet?
Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
It doesn't do anything. No one can see you, so it doesn't matter.
Click on the volume.
This one?
Mm.
No. I can't click that because that's my camera and I don't want anyone to see me.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
Okay, so hold on 1 second. I'm on the. Sorry, I just had to plug this number in really fast.
I can't hear.
Anyone?
I can only hear you. I can't hear Whitney and
Me either, actually.
Kennedy.
Whitney, Kennedy, are you still there? Are you still there, Whitney? Kennedy? We can't hear you, sorry.
Oh, somehow we put it on mute. I don't know how we did that.
So
Can you
we're
hear us
like ignoring you the whole time?
Sorry.
Saying something?
Yeah, you're trying to talk.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
It's got it all figured out now, I think. Okay. Okay, so how did you do 13?
Okay, so well, first of all, did anyone else get an answer?
I did, but I honestly have
I don't know how
idea.
to do it.
Okay,
Try.
so what we do...
5 seconds.
Okay, is everybody ready? I can explain it. So pretty much what we do... Ashley, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh no.
Okay, so what we have to do is we take the number they give us, which is 0.6, right?
Yep. Yeah.
So that's the x, I think, in like the whole equation. It's z equals x minus mu over sigma. So x is the value they give us. Then you minus the mu, which is the mean, the mean, right, which is 0.66.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once you do that, that equals negative 0.06, and then you divide by the standard deviation.
And did you divide?
0.07. So that equals z. Z equals negative 0.857.
So did you get...
So then you go back to the applet thing, and on the z, you switch it to... Well, you can switch either side, it doesn't matter. But you switch it so that it's 0.857. Press enter.
Okay.
And then it says it wants what portion of the population that requires less than that. So you click on the part that's up to the farthest left. So only the farthest left is shaded. And the area for that should be the probability or the likelihood. And that is 0.1957. Does that make sense?
6. Yes. That made
but our
yes,
answer
it did.
is
Thank you for
0.1.
Thank you. I totally would have gotten that wrong in 3 decimals.
Yeah, 197.
Does everyone want to try that for... Okay, so the next one, we can keep the same one because it's still 0.6. but now we look at
Okay.
how many are more than
Oh, it's
that.
more than. Got
So
it.
then you
Okay.
have the two, so the middle and the one to the right have to be shaded.
Okay.
Because our original standard deviation was the negative one, not the positive one.
Okay.
So that's 0.804. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we have to go.
Yeah.
Yep.
So for 15,
Now we have to redo it, right? So
you
do
just
that same
change
thing
it, but
over
you do
here,
the same thing
give
as
us 13.
Right. Yep.
Okay.
So is that negative?
Because you start with this one. This is positive.
So then it would just have to do the book thing.
I know, but I don't want to switch over to it. Why does it keep moving?
There it is.
Okay, so I have an answer once you guys are ready.
Doesn't change anything.
I think you gotta move the, because it's the same as it's what's left. No.
Okay,
yeah,
just
what's
so that I'm understanding, I'm putting 0.7 in the z-scores.
Yeah, just move.
For the z-score. The z-score I got was 0.571.
That's what me and Whit
that's
got.
what we got too.
No, in the applet.
So just have
Right, so in the applet
No,
on
like
the
in the
bottom,
applet, on the z-score thing.
So for the z-score in the applet, I got
I'm putting
0.571.
Oh, I just had to click out of it.
So Ashley, what you should do is
Wait, you guys are really
so on number 15,
Okay.
you start out with
Uh-huh.
0.7 grams, right?
Yeah.
Then you minus, because that's your x in the equation, and then you have to minus the mean u in the equation.
Yeah. How do you find that number?
And up above it says that the mean is 0.66, so minus 0.66. That should give you 0.04. And then you have to divide by the standard deviation, which is 0.07. And then that gives me 0.5714.
So Andrew, is that his name, right? What did you get for your answer then?
Did you get 0.716?
Perfect.
Yay! Perfect.
Ashley, did you get that?
Yeah.
And then I can study more and
Do you want us to bring you something? Do you need food?
Okay.
Do you need a boy? Do you need
I'll need one of those
to help
eventually,
you?
but I don't need one right now.
So Ashley, you got the z-values for the x-axis, and then you click
you can
ones to the two furthest left, so the middle and the left one, to get the one that says less than. And we start out with positive 0.571.
To find area between two lines, you can subtract the area of each one. Make sure your answer is positive.
And area between two.
So that's fine. I don't know how to do that one.
Yeah. Okay, Andrew, do you know how to do 16? I don't get it.
I think all we have to do is subtract the two probabilities.
So 0.6 and 0.7.
Oh.
Hold on one second. I want to look at this again. Because it says between 0.6 and 0.7.
Just ow, that hurts. Be by you.
Idaho.
I get to go to BYU Provo tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure my family's going to that. Well,
Really?
At least Bodie and Colton or something.
Oh, cool.
No.
They
You going
get
camping?
everything. Puppy.
I know they do.
They get my room.
Puppy's so cute.
I know.
Is
It's
what we
getting.
want?
They buy her a puppy.
You haven't seen it, but it's getting
We're not getting
big.
a freaking dog.
If we live at the house, I'm getting a dog.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know
A
that.
little one.
Maybe they won't let us.
I
Oh,
guess
they'll
that's
let
fine.
us.
Did you see it? There it is.
Oh, that's a. Oh, I see the word.
That's your whole house.
That's right. That's right. This whole world is my house.
So that one minus is less than. Yeah. Okay. So guys. Okay, so the answer should be. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that the answer is supposed to be 15 minus. Well, answer from 15 minus the answer from 13. Does that make sense? So what we're doing is we're taking 0.7 everything below, and then minusing everything that's less than the 0.6.
Okay.
So I want to.
9/6. That's it.
Aww. Cute house.
Does that have a basement?
0.
It's got a garage.
Right.
That's really nice.
For almost nothing to live there.
Yeah?
Is it just 0.52?
Well, I'm going to solve it out with more decimal
No.
places. He wants 3 decimal. We already rounded those. So I'm reworking the original numbers. 0.7 minus 0.6.
We're entered as
Oh.
all over.
I know.
Oh.
Can we take group tests?
Here is good.
I know. What?
Okay.
When I take the test, I need him.
We can take it together.
Dude, let's do it.
We're gonna do it.
Okay, good.
Nothing against it.
Me either.
We do everything else as a group.
I know. We might as well. It's stupid.
You cheat off
Nate,
my
just
Book of
pay
Mormon
attention
every
with your
day.
I'm
house.
saying it's bad. I'm saying it's cheating.
Oh, got it.
Like,
Gotta be clarified.
yesterday,
It's a little grunge.
it's cute there, but I don't think our landlord's gonna let us get out of that contract, honestly.
My grandma died and they need someone to live in her house.
Yeah, whose house is this?
Some
lady in
in
her-
her parents' board, her grandma's.
Her grandma died in that house.
Brand new carpet. It does have a basement. Yeah, it does.
Her grandma
And
died
the
in that
whole
house.
basement is like redone.
Her grandma died in that
No,
house.
it flooded.
Is her
And
group
so they
even still
moved her
here?
out, and they're like, we're not going to move her back in because she's losing it.
Cool.
And so what you're saying is when she dies, she's gonna hunt that house.
So guys, I got. What did you guys get for the last one?
I
Well, I
For which?
I got.
Mm,
6-0.
why did it do? I
Because you can't have two.
Oh yeah, I told 0.52, but you said that you were getting the whole decimal
Right.
of the number.
Yeah, so really it doesn't change anything.
Yeah.
It's 0.5203, which doesn't round up, so it's still 0.520.
So that didn't even round up.
No,
That's kind of
exact.
sad.
I know, we did all that work.
Wait, crap, I typed and I don't know where I typed.
Let's exit out of it. the keyboard.
So is everybody
So
in
it's
agreement?
turned to-
It's 0.0520.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we read through the
Yes.
numbers really fast? Just make sure we all have them written down. Everybody good with that?
Okay, so 3 is yes.
Okay, so starting from the top, 3 is just 1.
Yep.
1. Multiple choice, blah, 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 blah. 8 is 68.
8, right?
9 is 0.683.
Okay.
10
Yep.
is 0.955. 11 is 0.997.
Okay.
13 is 0.196.
Yep.
14 is 0.804.
Yep.
15 is 0.716.
Yep.
16 is 0.520.
Yep. We are good.
Okay, sounds good. Let's do this.
I'm submitting it.
I've totally just done it.
Hey, got 100. Woo! Good job, guys.
Yay.
Yeah, we did.
Good job, Andrew.
No, good
Not
job,
good.
Andrew.
No, good job.
Yeah,
you
that's
guys.
what I said.
Seriously. Good job.
No,
I understood like one of those questions.
Good job.
Right.
he's the best.
So, question.
Alright,
So
I'll have to go back to the video.
What don't you guys understand? I can try to help.
Andrew.
Yeah.
So when you go into 16, it says that you didn't have to do the whole decimals.
For 6. Oh, I didn't even look.
So it shows you how to do it. So
I love how it's
yeah,
just
that was
I should come in here more often so people can
like you did all that work getting the whole decimals and then minusing it. You didn't have to. Does that make sense?
Right. About redoing it, you mean?
Yeah.
Right.
I still can't even.
That's fine. Perfect.
Kennedy is live. Kennedy.
So to find like
What the
13 and 13 and 14 and all of those,
Uh-huh.
you just like where did .07 come from? Because it shows me how to do it under 13. So it says 0.60 minus .066 divided by .07.
But where did I get the .07 from? The .07, if you look on the passage
Yeah, like
right
where did all
above
that
it,
crap
Really?
it says that on the very, very last line, it says, and the population standard deviation is .07.
We get a cut.
So that's where the standard deviation
Second guessing.
It looks good.
Does that make sense?
Hello?
Hello. Hi.
You keep muting it.
Completely
Oh,
froze.
no.
Are you guys still there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we are still here.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
in that one, so it's just you take. So it says less than .60. So then you take .60 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation.
Uh-huh. And that gives
Okay,
you the
and then
Z
you get that
score.
negative 0.8. You get that negative .8571. But then how did we get the .196?
Perfect. So if you go to the applet in the homework reading thing, the online book. So if you put in, so you can click on either one of the Z-scores on the bottom by the x-axis, the very bottom. If you put it on the left, you should put in negative .8571, or if you put it on the right, it's just a positive. It's positive